Hi, my name is Fernando. I'm an owner. I would rate Google Sheets a 3. For more reviews like this, please click on the link below. I use Microsoft Excel before Google Sheets. I use Google Sheets as a result of being part of a franchise system. I don't necessarily um, like it, nor did I choose to use it. I just have to use it for various reasons. Well, I chose Google Sheets ironically because I was forced to use it. But there are some things that I do like about it. The accessibility via online and to be able to manipulate data online and collaborate with various users real time. Those would be the reasons why I would utilize it if I hadn't been forced to use it. Google Sheets was very easy to utilize and to start with it because of the background with Microsoft Excel and its predecessor, Lotus Notes, Lotus 123. It's a very easy and basic worksheet management tool. It's very intuitive. Um, so I would say that it's relatively easy to implement for anybody that has basic worksheet experience, or even if you don't have worksheet experience. Recommend to look at all the different programs and see what's the best tool and resource for your business. But for a startup business, for somebody that doesn't have a lot of experience with worksheets and on a limited budget, it's a great option, a great resource to start out. And it's like I said, it's something that can be used uh, via web, and you can collaborate with various people throughout the world. So in that regard, it's very easy to work with. But I would check it out. I think most people would like it that don't need a robust worksheet management tool.